Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're making a pourable caramel sauce. You guys, this thing can be poured on just about anything. So to get the recipe, stick around. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so here are all the ingredients we're going to be using. We got some vanilla extract, we have some cognac, we have some allulose, and we have some heavy creamer. Now, you guys can use bourbon. You can use a bourbon instead of a cognac. It's completely up to you, or you can use no alcohol. It's completely up to you. You also can use heavy cream instead of the super creamer. I use this because I feel like this is my little special thing I put in it that gives it a extra kick, but you can just use heavy cream if you don't have the super creamer. Okay guys, so it's very simple. We're going to add in our allulose first, and also I'll be linking all the exact amounts and exact ingredients in the description box below, so refer to that for the actual measurements and the exact ingredients that I'm using. Okay, now we'll add our water, and then we're going to use a whisk, and we're going to mix everything together into a slurry. Now we're going to turn on our burner, guys, and we're going to get this thing up to 300 degrees. You want to keep an eye on it. I'm using a thermometer to keep the temperature in check, because once you hit 300, your mixture is going to turn amber, just like this. This is where you want to turn the heat off, and you want to slowly add in your stick of butter. And when I say slowly, guys, you want to do it slowly, because if you just throw a whole stick in there, it's going to form out real bad and kind of waste over the edges. So just kind of put it in cubes like you see me doing right here. All right guys, now once we have our butter in and kind of mixed in and everything, we're going to go ahead and add in our vanilla extract, and we're also going to add in our cognac. Now guys, like I said, you can use a bourbon or you can use a cognac. I'm using the Branson cognac, or you can use no alcohol. It's completely up to you. Once we've got that in, we're going to give it a good mix. And then once we've done that, we're going to add in our creamer. So guys, at this point, your caramel should not still be cooking. It should have already been off since we added the butter, just to let you know. Once we add our creamer in, we're going to mix it. And also guys, remember, you can use heavy cream and replace up the super creamer. It's totally fine. And just like that guys, it's pretty much done. You want to get out a mason jar, pour your caramel in the mason jar and set it in the refrigerator for at least an hour to chill, and then it'll be usable. And after that hour chilling guys, this is what it looked like. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, because y'all know the motto here: we making keto easy by making everything keto. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.